Hi, hello. Today I have day 4 of 12 days of Christmas. If you haven't heard already, I am doing 12 days straight of Christmas looks for you guys. I will link the playlist up there for you to see. Yeah, today is this candy cane green inspired look with a red lip. Whatever I don't mention, I will list down below in the description box with everything else I use. Yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've done one eye, as you can see, apart from the lashes, of course. But today I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Just looks like this, very bright, very vibrant. So I'm only going to be doing the eyes. This is day 4, so you will know that by now. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take the P. Louise white base. Now I'm going to get some sellotape. I'm going to put some sellotape by there, like so. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to take this green shade here on a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm popping this into the crease. Then I'm going to take this green here on a blank canvas E10 brush, and I'm popping that just above that colour. And that is pretty much it for the green. Now I'm going to take the P. Louise base again and pop that on the back of my hand. And now I'm going to do the cut crease. Okay, so after that I'm going to set the base with this shade. It's like a shimmery white. I'm going to apply that with the Zoeva 234 brush. Okay, so then for the white eyeliner I'm going to use the NYX white liquid liner. Then I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Fire, which is the red. Okay, so that is the wing done. Now I can take this off. So underneath the eye I'm going to take this red. Taking this on a Morphe M151 brush. It's actually a really pigmented red. And then for the white lashes I'm just going to take a little brush and wipe some of the eyeliner on there. And then for the white liner in the waterline, I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Exit. Now I'm just going to pop a bit of mascara on. I'm going to be using the Revolution The Mascara, which looks like this. Forgot that I hadn't done the inner corner. I'm going to take some glitter glue by NYX and pop that in the inner corner. So, and then I'm taking this glitter from eBay, which I will link down below, like with everything else as well. It's just a holographic white glitter. I got off eBay, but they do have their own website, so I will link that down below. Okay, so now I'm going to put the mascara on the other eye. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to go in with are the Tatti lashes in the style TL24. I actually need to trim these, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you want to, of course, to see the rest of my 12 days of Christmas. I will link the playlist up there so you can access it easily and see them whenever you want to. Make sure to go follow my Instagram account where I will be uploading the looks so you can see in depth. And yeah, make sure to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you're excited for Christmas. I think this is very Christmassy, very candy cane vibes. And yeah, if you want to know anything else that's on my face, then please click the description box and check that out. I will list everything down there for you. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.